We hit a rock going out the channel down in our new slip location. We hit a rock and it really jarred the boat. We were only going about 6 knots, but it made the boat turn. It hit on our port side and we turned. The back of the boat spun around a little bit, just a little bit. But here's the damage, and we are obviously going to get a haul out and get it repaired, but thought we'd share this. Love to get some opinions on how bad it is. So drop us a comment. Love to hear from you.
All right, we're going to go for a swim. We had a bit of a bump yesterday, pretty hard bump. I'm going to go see the bottom of the keel and see what I can see. It's pretty cloudy, the water right now, but I'm going to see if I can see anything. I'm going to grab the camera and come back.